Now we are discussing set default in the dictionary data type. I have created a dictionary data type. Variable A is having 4 keys 1, 2, 3, 4 and corresponding values are 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I am writing a dot set default. So if I write a dot set default, if I give the index 1, it will give the value of the key 1. The value for the corresponding key 1 is 10. And if I give a dot set default 3, then it will give the corresponding value of the key 3. The value for the corresponding key 3 is 30. Now I am giving a dot set default 5. Because the key 5 is not there, we expect no output from this command, but this will create a key 5 in the dictionary with a null element or null value. So now you check, a key 5 is created, a key 5 is created with its value null. Okay, there is another way. I am taking set default. Now I am asking about the value for the key 6 because the key 6 itself is not there. Now here only in this set default only I am giving the value for 6. I am giving 100. So this will create the 100 value for the key 6. So this is how we can get the values of the existing keys by using the set default. Also, if the key is not at all existing, then we can add that key and also value. But suppose if we do not know whether that key is existing or does not exist, so I am writing a set default. So this time I am giving 2, 50. I do not know the key 2 is existing. I am saying okay, if key 2 is not existing, then create the key 2 with its corresponding value 50. But already key 2 is existing in the dictionary with the value 20. Because the key 2 is existing with the value 20, this 50 will not be assigned to the key 2. Instead of that, the output will be printed as 20. This is what happening. And we will check whether there are any modification to the key 2. No modifications. So this means when we give the value to the corresponding key, if that key is not at all existing in the dictionary, then only the key will be created and the corresponding value will be assigned. If the key itself is existing in the dictionary, then the value, even though we are giving that value, will not be assigned. Instead of that, it will give the output of the corresponding value in the dictionary. This is how we use the set default for the dictionary data type.